Now, finish the side seams of the blouse with a flat felt seam for more durability. Place fabric pieces right sides together. For this, you want to leave seam allowance at about 5/8 of an inch or 1.5 centimeters. Sew side seams with a straight machine stitch. Press seam allowances apart. Trim one of the seam allowances narrowly. This will be the bottom. Press the wider seam allowance over the bottom seam allowance. All seam allowances are now to one side. Fold in the top seam allowance. You can pin or baste at this point or simply top stitch right away close to the edge. When sewing the second side seam, ensure you press it in the same direction as the first, so both flat felt seams are oriented consistently and don't face opposite sides. Thanks so much for watching. In the next chapter we will sew a classic sleeve slit, so be sure to tune in.